Alright, so in a previous video, we showed you how to install Acumatica, as well how to customize Acumatica through a custom generic inquiry as an example here, and then how to create your own filters and save filters. Now I want to export this. I talked about exporting it through a export option that you have here as XML and importing that. But if you have several different files that you want to do it at one shot, the better way to do that is go down to more items, customization, and customization project. So when you click on that, you can create a new project by clicking on the plus sign and give it a name, custom one, a description. So once you've finished that, click on that particular package. So now you're going to come in here and see that you have access to all of these things that you could customize in Acumatica. You can create new screens, you can write your business logic, you can create generic inquiries, reports, dashboards, database scripts, shared filters, wiki articles, business events. Anything that you do in Acumatica all can be packaged into one package and exported out from this instance. So let's go ahead and do the generic inquiry we just did. So click on generic inquiries and click on the plus sign. Now it will show you all the generic inquiries that exist in the system. Well, let's instead of me going and looking for things, I can always do last modifier, and I can start descending. Then I will get my GI that I was looking for, SO sales order line. That's the generic inquiry which we wrote. So I'm going to hit save and it's going to add to the system. Right? I can do the same thing. I can reload from the database and it'll give me the delta difference, the ones that changed, and that will be added into the system. So now we did GI. We also did something with the generic inquiry. We created a filter. So let's go looking for the filter here, the shared filters, and I want to make sure I have on that generic inquiry open orders. So I'm going to hit again plus sign and I'm going to look for, instead of me scrolling and going looking for it, I know I called it as open orders. So let's say open, contains open, and you will see that I called it as open orders and it is right here, the GI 640096. So I'm going to choose that and I'm going to click OK as well. So now I was able to package this, or rather add all the files and the changes that I made as a developer or an end user. So I can package all of my GIs here, all the shared filters, any dashboards, any of these files. And once I'm done, I'm not going to publish this. So I'm going to show you what to do next. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out and I'm going to export this file. So I'm going to export this file, which is going to package everything and downloads to the local hard disk. So then I'm going to go to the live instance and I'm going to do the reverse of it, which is I'm going to import. So I can click on import and it will ask me what file do you want to import, and we're going to point to the path where I had downloaded this file, and then I'm going to choose that and upload that into the live instance. Upon uploading, you will see exactly like this, custom one and the description, and then you need to now publish this so that when you publish, whatever files, whatever data, whatever things that you have here will be published onto that live instance. So thereby you will see your generic inquiries, your filters, anything that you have packaged will be published into the live instance. So make sure to publish it only when all the users are logged out. So there is a recommended way of publishing it. So make sure to follow that, and I'll kind of show you quickly here. So if you go down to more items, system management, you will see apply updates. So make sure to click on that, and there is something called schedule lockout. So you're going to lock out the specific instance so that nobody logs in. So once you're done that, then we recommend you to publish any of the packages, and it's always the safer mode to do that, which is the safest way of doing it. So that's how you can customize things in Acumatica, package them all into one package, export that and deploy that on the new instance. Thank you again.